Hey everyone, welcome back to DataSurface. Today we are stepping into one of the most important topics in tech, cloud platforms. You have heard the names everywhere: AWS, Azure, and GCP. But what do these cloud gains actually do? Why are companies are investing billions into them? And more importantly, which cloud should you start learning? Let's break it down the simplest and most powerful way possible. So let's quickly look at what we will cover as part of today's session. So here is what we are going to explore in this session. First, we'll understand what a cloud platform really is in plain English. Then we'll quickly look at the big three players dominating the cloud world. After that, we'll go deeper into each one: AWS, Azure, and GCP, and understand what makes them so special. And finally, I'll help you to with the most important question: which cloud platform should I choose first? Let's get started. So, what exactly is a cloud platform? Think of it like a massive digital supermarket. Instead of buying and maintaining physical servers, storage, networks, you simply rent what you need. Need a server? Take it. Need a storage? Just rent it. Need AI, machine learning, analytics, databases? Just pick what you want and pay only for what you use. A cloud platform gives you services in mainly three types of models, right? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In previous video, we have already explained about the different types of models which will follow by the cloud platforms, like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service in detail level. I would recommend please have a look at that particular video that will set foundation for this particular video. So basically, the cloud platform gives you these IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS in one place, and it lets companies build and run applications globally with speed and flexibility. That's why the cloud has become the backbone of modern technology. When it comes to the cloud computing, three companies leads the race: Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. So, AWS still holds the top position, but Azure is catching up fast, and GCP, while smaller, it becoming strongest player in AI and data. So, together, these three control most of global cloud market, and they continue to grow year after year. So, let's start with the king, Amazon Web Services. AWS is the oldest and most mature cloud platform, known for its massive global infrastructure. So, like this AWS in infrastructure as a service, you will get services like EC2 for servers, S3 for storage, VPC for networking, and EBS for black storage. In platform as a service, AWS gives you Amazon Redshift, Lambda for serverless, EKS for Kubernetes, and Elastic Beanstalk. And in SaaS and managed services, AWS offers products like Amazon Connect, Workspaces, and QuickSight. AWS is all about scale, reliability, and variety. If you want to widest range of cloud services, AWS is unbeatable. Now, let's move on to the next one. The next up is Microsoft Azure, the favorite among enterprises. Azure works beautifully if your organization already uses Microsoft tools like Windows Server, Active Directory, or Office 365. In infrastructure as a service, Azure offers virtual machine blob storage, virtual network, and disk storage. In PaaS, you get Azure SQL, Azure Functions, App Service, and AKS for Kubernetes. And in SaaS, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, Power Platform, and Azure DevOps makes Azure a complete ecosystem. Azure's biggest strength is enterprise integration and hybrid cloud. So this makes it super popular among large organizations. Now let's move on to the final one, Google Cloud Platform. the powerhouse of data and AI. So GCP may not be the biggest, but it's the most innovative. In AWS, it provides compute engine, cloud storage, VPC, and persistent disk. In PaaS, you get BigQuery, one of the best data analytics engine in the world, along with Cloud Run, GKE, and Cloud SQL. And in the SaaS manager space, GCP offers Google Workspace, Looker Studio, and Firebase. If you are interested in AI, machine learning, big data, or modern app development, GCP is a fantastic choice. So, thus the world of the cloud platform titans, AWS, Azure, and GCP. Each one is powerful, each one is growing, and each one opens up amazing career opportunities. Your next step, start with one cloud provider, master and fundamentals, and gradually expand. So, this is more about like a very high level brief overview about top 3 cloud platforms and what kind of services they're providing under these models, right? So this is just a beginning of your cloud journey, and I'm here to guide you through it. So hit the like and subscribe button and continue your learning with the next video. Choose your first cloud provider. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next one. Thank you.